How to see notification history on iPhone. If you're struggling to find out how to do this, this video is right for you as we have some simple tricks and tips for you to find it out. First, go on your settings. Now scroll down on your screen and tap on the option called Notification. Tap on it. As you can see, there are three options in which you have to tap on the third option, which is called List. If you do this, you can now see the notification in List. Similarly, you can individually open the app and turn on the Allow Notification option. If you do this, it will easily send you the notification of every kinds of apps. In this way, you can easily see the history of your notification on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to share it with your friends, give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.